Namaste, welcome to Ambara Sarees. For online purchases, visit our website www.ambarasarees.com and for direct purchases, visit our store at Ambattur and Virukambakam. Please subscribe our channel and to get immediate notifications, click the bell button. As I told you earlier, we have the collections on pure handloom cotton sarees. So this is a second part of the same collections, but a different color combinations and different designs and different materials. So now the range starts from this is 900 to 1250 and 1300 rupees. So I will be showing now you the collections on this. To start with, it is a 900 rupees saree which I am going to show you. So this is a pure handloom cotton saree. You can see this is a bright red. It's a bright red color with a mustard color combination and a thread work over here and a green color border. Now these sarees doesn't have a blouse. So the saree is like this. Now these sarees can be owned with any cut blouses or any tissue blouses or any printed cotton blouses. The saree is a bright red with a mustard color combination. This is 900 rupees. So the next combination in the same range cost is, this is one color. You can see it's a light color with a green color and a rust color combination with black color thread woven borders over here. This is also 900 rupees. And this is the next combination, which is a bright green with a pink or a purple color border. It's a purple color border with a navy blue thread woven here, and this is 900 rupees. It's a green color combination. The next color what I have is a rust color with a maroon color lines over here and a green color border over here. So the border is on either side. This doesn't have a blouse, as I told you. So the cost is 900 rupees. So this is another one piece which I have in the same cost of 900 rupees, which is a pink color with a dark blue color combination and lines and a thread border over here. The cost of this saree is also 900 rupees. So all these sarees we have totally 5 color combinations in this 900 rupees. This is one color and this is the other color which we have. And this is one more color of a green color combination, and this is a light sandal color or a beige color combination, and this is a bright red color with a mustard color combination. So these sarees are of the cost of 900 rupees. So the next combinations or the next variety which I am going to show you is of little bit, you have a border and a thread border as well as a zari border combinations, which I will be showing it to you now. Now the next collection what we have is in the range of 1050. So in this cost we have more than 10 to 15 varieties and designs of sarees, which I will be explaining to you now. So the next is, this is also again a pure cotton, which I don't have to say. So this is a green color with a light blue color combination and the blue color border and a mango border, and the border is on the either side. So this is these sarees also doesn't have a blouse. So the cost of this saree is 1050, but the length and the breadth is all of 6.5 meters. So there is nothing to worry about it. It will be around 100% we can say it is around 6.2 meters. That is not an issue at all. So this is a 1050 rupees cost of the saree. And in the similar same design, there is one more color which is like a parrot green with a brown color combination and a pink color border. These are the pink color border, and the border is on either side. So this is how the saree looks like, and the cost is 1050. So this is one more design which is available in the same cost of 1050. So this is a double shade combination of a little bit of brown and a pink color combination, and it has got a thread border over here, and the border is also on either side. So this is also 1050. This saree also doesn't have a blouse. You can see the length of the saree is also high, so not an issue at all. And the pallu for all these sarees will be like this with the lines. So the pallu will be of a simple line all over. So this is how the saree looks. You can go with a pink color combination of a blouse or a blue color combination for this, as it has got a double shade all over the body. So this is 1050. So this is a 1050 saree. And the next combination is all-time favorite combination, which is a grey color and a black color combination with a thread over here with a temple border. And there is a temple border on a small temple border on the upper place, and this is the border has this type of thread over border this side. So this is also 1050, which is a grey and a black color combination. So the next thing is, it is like this. It is a dark red color with a green and a mustard color border. So this is a Ganga Jamuna border, which everybody knows about it, and it has got small lines all over here, which is again 1050 rupees. So we have more collections to go into this. So the next collection is, this is mustard with maroon color, thread border on either sides. So the pallu for this also is all over the line. So the cost of the saree is also 1050 rupees. And this is a light color. You can see the color, which is a cream color, cream based color with a mango design border over here. And this is again, it has got a border on either sides. So the cost is 1050. The next combination is a beautiful green, very beautiful green with a pink color border. You can see the temple border and the thread over border here. This is similar to the design which I showed you in the grey and black combination. It's a similar type. So this is how it looks like. So it is 1050. And we have another design in the same thing. This is a cream color with a black color border combination with a thread woven design over here with a temple border. So this is again 1050 rupees. This is another combination which we have. This is another design. You can see this is a bright yellow, which you call it as a mango yellow with a green color combination. You have a thread border, which is a thread long border. You can see it's a big border. It is a beautifully woven thread temple border and a green color combination with a yellow with a green, and you have a small border over here also. The cost of this is also 1050. So the other combinations what we have is the same type. You can see this is green. It's a double shade pink. You can see it's a double shade very green and a pink color combination. This has got small checks in it and a pink color border with a blue color design over here. And for this also the cost is 1050 rupees. This is another beautiful color, which is you can call it as a mehendi yellow or a green or whatever it is, with a blue color border with a thread. You can see the thread work over here, which is on either side. So this is also 1050 rupees. And this is a very nice beautiful piece, dark maroon. See, the dark maroon with the green color border. It's a dark green color border on either sides. You can see it's really beautiful. See, the saree looks like this, and it is the pallu will be of a line. It's a similar line over here. So the saree will be like this, which is 1050 rupees. Nice color combination with a maroon and a green color border. The next combination what we have is Another color which is a very dark, beautiful blue color. You can see the blue, how it looks like with the thread woven border over here with mango design and a dark ink blue color combination. You can see how the saree looks like. So also, this is also a nice color. So the saree is like this. You can see. So this is 1050 rupees. This is also 1050 rupees. All these sarees are, you can maintain it well. All beautiful and rare color combinations are there. You can order it. You can. There is one more design in the same range, which is a grey with the Ganga Jamuna border with the black and a purple color border with the golden jari over here. So this is how the saree looks. This is also 1050 rupees. You can reach us through WhatsApp also, which is 91766 and another number is 98400426777. There is another combination. See, these are of the cost 1200 rupees. These are also pure handloom cotton sarees only. So the combination and the design is different of this material. The cost of this saree is 1200 rupees. So it's a dark maroon color with a mustard and a green color border combinations. It's again a Ganga Jamuna border and with a small lines over here, which is a self lines. It's not a printed line. It's a self line all over the body. So the cost of this saree is 1200 and these sarees have with blouse. The blouse will be a running blouse only, so there is no contrast blouse or whatsoever. But the pallu is of lines. You can see the lines also. I will show you the pallu for one saree. So this is how the saree looks like. This is how the pallu is. So the saree is 1200 rupees. You can see. It's a nice pure handloom cotton saree. It's a running blouse. You can, however, take the blouse as you wish. Whether you can have a mustard color combination or a green color combination blouse for this saree, which will be very pretty. And the cost of this saree is again 1200 rupees. So in a similar range, I have some more collections in this. I will show it to you now. So the other collection what we have in the same type is a blue color with a purple color and a mustard color border, which is of 1200 rupees in the same design. This is also 1200 rupees. So similar design, similar pattern. It's a green color with a green color and a maroon color border. This is also again 1200 rupees. You can see how beautiful the colors are here. All the colors are very beautiful. So the next color combination is a double shade of a mustard and it's orangish red color. It's actually, so it's orangish red color, which is a double shade, which has a mustard color border and a green color border. The cost is 1200 rupees. So this is how the saree looks like. Such a beautiful color. This is one more color what we have. This is again mustard with a Ganga Jamuna border, which is a red and a green color combination. So this is also 1200 rupees. The same design. You can see this is a little bit, it's a double color, which is a peacock blue and a pink color combination, which has got a magenta color border and a mustard color border on it. On all these sarees of 1200 rupees has got blouse with this. It's a running blouse only. And the same way, this is a mango yellow color with a green color and a maroon color, mustard color, or what do you call it, is a maroon color combination. So this is again 1200 rupees. This is the cost of the saree. And in the same range, the last color what we have is a pink with the green color and a mustard color combination. So the cost of this saree is 1200 rupees. You can see the saree. You can see how beautiful it is. It's all pure handloom cotton sarees. So you can take it from us. So this is one type. And the final type which we are going to show to you is in the cost of 1250. So this saree, if you see, it's a dark maroon color. It's a dark maroon color. And it doesn't have a border on the top. It has a border at the down. You can see the border, and the border combination is of green color, which is a big border, and this border has a thread woven green color Rudraksha designs all over the border. You can see how pretty they are woven it. So this is 1250 rupees, and this saree is also with blouse. So the saree looks like this, and this is how the pallu looks like. It's a running blouse. You can take it from this also, or you can take a separate blouse also. The cost of this saree is 1250, and we have 3 colors in this particular design. So this is one maroon color what we have, and the other 2 colors what we have is you can see it's a pink color. It's a pink color with a green color combination, which is again 1250, and this is a purple. It's a dark purple color with the thread woven border over here, and this is again with blouse, as I told you. This is also 1250. So we have now varieties. Nearly we have beautiful collections of all the handloom cotton sarees we have in different designs and patterns, either in a thread woven border, or we have it in with jari, or it is only thread. So there are combinations of colors we have as a Ganga Jamuna border, or it is a plain border, or whatever it is. So we have a lot of collections right now with us. So you can book all these sarees either through our website or through WhatsApp. As I said you, it is 989766763331 and 9840042677. Thank you for watching the video. We will soon come out with the next collections. Namaste.